Hey, what's going on? All my homettes, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and I'm back. And I was getting ready to run through this. I got a couple of boxes, and I was just going to run through them on my own. But I was like, why not? I'll bring the people along with me. So let's jump into these. All right, so I'm back in. So I'm just going to jump into these, do a little test of them if they're fragrances, and see what they smell like. Share them with you guys. So start with this first little box. Let's see. Get in here. There we go. Okay. So nice packaging. Got a receipt here. Okay, cool. And this is, don't need the box anymore. This is, okay. This is Dunhill Icon. This is just a backup bottle. Yeah, as I said in a couple of videos before, they are Dunhill, the Icon line and the Signature line has been discontinued. So I have this already. Maybe I'll refresh and do a spray test with it later on in the video, but this is just a backup bottle, so I'll have it if it actually disappear from the market altogether. And let's go with this next box. This box is a little bit bigger. It's a little bit bigger, so I don't know if this is one fragrance or if it's two fragrances, or if it's a fragrance at all. If it's not a fragrance, I'll cut it out of the video so you guys don't have to deal with it. And let's see, just some little bit of paper. Just a little bit of paper. Okay, all right, this is Khamrah Dukhan. I've seen this for a long time, and I was thinking about getting it. I was like, do I need it? Because I have the regular Khamrah and I have the Khamrah Kawa, and both of those are amazing, and they're kind of close to each other. I think the Kawa is just a little bit darker, but I was like, I finally decided to get this one because I've been hearing people talk about it. And the last box, let's see what this one is. And here we go, got that cut. And let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. It's got some paper, stuffing paper, and some bubble wrap. Oh, okay. Another Dunhill. This is the Dunhill Racing Blue. This is another one. Now this one I do have I have one, but it's a small bottle of it. I think it's like either 30 or 50 milliliter bottle, but I just got this as a backup. All right. Okay, so those two, the Dunhills, I may spray them a little bit later. Nah, maybe not. I'll just rock out to this one. I want to see what this smells like. I was looking at something recently. I was watching a reviewer. It was one of the female reviewers. I have to get better with some of these people's names. And so yeah, so I was watching a female reviewer, and she was talking about the three different ones, the three different Khamrahs, and she was saying this one was the most masculine of the three, and I was like, really? Okay, maybe I should get it. So, all right, looks like it has the same setup. Yep, the bottle is a little shaken up, a little crooked, not in there securely, but same kind of setup with the mirror background and the name on it and everything. So let's see what it smells like. So it has the same style bottle, just has like looks like a purplish pinkish or fuchsia bottom, and then it has a gradient that goes up to a a brown. I'm not sure if that's coming in through on the camera, but most of you guys have probably already seen this fragrance already and probably already smelt it. I'm just late to the party. So let's see. Look like it had been sprayed already. Okay, right now, off the paper, it smells like it might be maybe a heavier cardamom, like a nut fragrance, a nut scent. Let's see what it smells like on skin. Had a little bit of alcohol blast when I first went in. This looks a little strange though. This bottle looks strange. Is it me? Is the top supposed to be clear like this? I have to check. Okay, it smells like Khamrah. It smells like Khamrah. It actually smells like something I smelled recently, like was it the Teriyaki Intense? Either that or I think it was a Dumont scent that I smelled recently too. Okay. Smells pretty much the same right now. I'm gonna let it dry down for a little bit and I'll be right back. And I'll get the notes. Hold on a second. All right, so I am back in. I let this dry down for a little bit and it's changed a little bit. When I first smelled it, when I first sprayed it on, to me, it smelled almost like the original Khamrah. It didn't smell like it was that big of a difference, except for maybe a little bit more spicy and maybe a little bit less sweet. But now that it's dried down now, I forgot to bring the nose. It's dried down now. It smells like it's like a little bit, it's still spicier than the original Khamrah, but it has a little bit of like a tobacco coming out of it, but it's not like a sweet tobacco. It's not like a tobacco vanille type of tobacco. It's more of like a tobacco, like a dry tobacco, and maybe that's why people have said that it smells a little bit more masculine with the tobacco in the base. But let me get the notes. Hold on a second. All right, so for the notes for Khamrah Dukhan, where's the name? There it is. Khamrah Dukhan. The top notes are spices, pimento, and mandarin. Then in the middle notes, there's incense, lavender, orange blossom, and patchouli. And then in the base notes, it has the praline, which is in all the Khamrahs, tobacco, amber, tonka bean, and benzoin. So that sweetness is probably still coming from the praline, but it's toned down a lot. It's not as strong as it is in Khamrah, the original Khamrah. And the smokiness is in the background. I have a feeling that this is one of those fragrances. Right now, I won't say I'm underwhelmed. Right now, it's just I'm feeling like, okay, I would have been good with just having the Khamrah. But I feel like this is a fragrance that after you have it for a little while and spend some time with it, it'll change and it may turn out being a good fragrance. So I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna wear this when it gets a little bit cooler and, be able to rock out to it. So that's it. I'm not gonna jump into the Dunhills. You guys know what those smell like. I've talked about those a couple of times before. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this new fragrance. Well, new to me. It's been out for maybe about since the beginning of the year, I think. Khamrah Dukhan. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.